Stuck outside your car in Boynton Beach? We've got your back. The original Locksmith Boynton Beach is your go-to car key replacement service. Whether you've lost your keys, need a spare, or dealing with a broken key, we've got you covered. Our expert technicians use state-of-the-art tools to handle all types of car keys, traditional transponder and modern key fobs. And guess what? We offer mobile services. Yes, we come to you anywhere in Boynton Beach or Palm Beach County. Why choose us? Our team is highly trained and experienced. We know how urgent it is to get you back on the road, so we work fast and reliably. Convenience is key, no towing required. Plus, your satisfaction is our top priority. Visit www.theoriginallocksmith.com to schedule a service. Trust the original Locksmith Boynton Beach for all your car key needs and get back on the road in no time. Need help right now? Our friendly team is always ready to assist.